Hello everyone. Now, well, ito yung access natin ngayon. We have a very interesting topic today. Our topic is the difference between a psychopath and a sociopath. With me is our resident expert every afternoon.
Grabe naman sa expert talk.
Every afternoon, Professor Sendana, Cyrus Sendana.
Okay, good afternoon or good morning or good evening sa lahat ng mga makikinig nito, if ever. Our topic for today is psychopath and sociopath. Okay? No.
Okay, so let me first
Okay.
tie up, no? Uh, Commonly they are used interchangeably, but there is a distinct difference between the two. What is a sociopath and what is a psychopath? Now, a psychopath is not an official diagnosis, but is associated or bracketed under antisocial personality disorder. No, and it has its
Yes.
own traits. And similarly, a sociopath is the unofficial term for antisocial personality disorder. Pero there is a distinct difference between the two, no? Sige nga, let's hear your thoughts on this, Cyrus. Sir Cyrus. Psycho
Okay. Okay, kapag sinabi naman na actually kung ako ang tatanungin nyo, sociopath and psychopath are both forms ASPD or antisocial personality disorder. The difference between a psychopath and a sociopath is aggressive when it comes to manipulation. May tendency silang manakit kung hindi nila nakukuha ang gusto nila mangyari or reckless behavior. Kapag gusto nila mangyari, as long as gusto nila mangyari yun, ang gagawin nila magkakaroon sila ng yun nga, tendency na manakit ng ibang tao para lang makuha nila yung gusto nila. Meanwhile, ang sociopath, they will, ang gagawin lang nila is constant lying and being charming towards other people to get what they want from them. Ibig sabihin, ibig sabihin lang nun, gusto nilang, ang tawag dito, magdi-deceive sila ng ibang tao para lang makuha yung gusto nila sa inyo. Also,
Sandali, sir, no? So,
um,
they would know what we're talking about. Let's have a public persona, no? In the person of the former President Rodrigo Duterte, no? Now, Rodrigo Duterte, there is in the realm of psychology, there is an ongoing debate whether he is a psychopath or a sociopath, di ba? So ito lang,
yes.
ano, siguro maybe at the end of this podcast, we could certify whether he is a psychopath or a sociopath. But definitely, we're not the first in tackling this issue kasi doon pa lang sa annulment ni Duterte, no? The reason for his annulment is narcissistic personality disorder. At yung narcissistic
Yes.
personality disorder is also bracketed under antisocial personality disorder. Ano yung mga emotional deficit muna ng psychopath? Going back now to your discussion, psychopath exhibit emotional deficits such as lack of remorse and a tendency to take pleasure in manipulating others or causing them pain. Ayan. So, wala silang pagsisisi yung mga psychopath. No? And then, ang traits nila, they exhibit, sadism, lack of fear, charming
Yes.
personality, which pasok na pasok yung example natin, no remorse, inability to love, and poor judgment. They make impulsive decisions, no? Sige, sir, continue.
Okay. Kahit kapag sinabi nating psychopath, kapag when they are trying to form relationships, they are charming when it comes to that. Pero kapag tumagal-tagal na at nalaman nila na dinedeceive lang sila ng kapwa nila, nagkakaroon na sila ng, yung hindi na sila makakabuo ng gaanong relationships. Unlike sociopath, usually ang sociopath, constant lying ang ginagawa nila, and they can form close attachments to other individuals, such as charming, charming when it comes to mabulaklak ng salita, ganun ang ginagawa nila towards their peers. Pero kalaunan, kapag hindi na nila nakukuha yung kagustuhan nila, nagiging nagkakaroon na sila ng reckless behavior, tapos sinasaktan na nila yung mga peers nila, etc. Yun na lang yung nangyayari when it comes to, ganun na nangyayari for the sociopath part. Okay?
Psychopath, essentially, well, sociopath, socio kasi is lifted from the Greek word socius, so relationship, no?
Yes.
Pag sociopath, galit sa mundo, they're unable to form relationship. Yung psychopath naman, galit sa sarili. And in so doing, they are self-destructive. No? We want
Yes.
to burn the entire world along with them. No? Ganon. No? So, ano pa ba ang ibang traits na meron siyang emotional deficit, no, yung psychopath. And then sabi ko nga na sa DSM, lack of fear, charming personality, no remorse, ability to love, judgment. No? Sociopath naman is they have antisocial behavior, which exhibits behavior and frequently break rules. Now, definitely, if you're criminal, if you're convicted, or even if you're accused, ang kategorya mo na kaagad, sociopath ka na. May sociopathic din si ka na. Kasi yung traits ang traits nila, they break the rules, they break the law, there is physical aggression, they are manipulative, there is unpredictable mood swings, exploitative sila, and unreliable relationship, no? And then you add to the mix narcissism and lack of conscience. Although yung talaga ay yung psychopath, there's a total absence of conscience, no? Wala talaga sila, kung kay Sigmund borrowing the personality model, yung theoretical framework ni Sigmund Freud, silang super ego. Walang super ego.
Yes.
Samantalang ang sociopath, they have a conscience, but it's very weak. Kasi usually it's the super ego that tells you what to do and what not to do. Diba? It tells you.
Yes.
Sociopath, meron nun pero hindi ganong kinokontrol. While there's a total absence for psychopath,
Yes.
for people manifesting psychopathology. Sige, sir, could you add more? Cyrus.
Sabi nga, when it comes to being criminal, sila yung typical criminal kapag yung kukuha ng gamit, yung kapag hindi nila makuha yung gamit mo, ipapuwersa nilang kunin sa iyo yun. Kapag sinabi naman natin psychopath, ito yung usual na yung tycoon criminals, kasi sila yung pagmamanipulate sa inyo at sila yung kukuha ng gamit nyo na hindi nyo minsan hindi nyo na alam na nakukuha na pala kayo ng gamit when it comes to that. That's my thought about this.
So definitely, lahat ng kriminal, lahat ng nakakulong, sociopath na yan.
Yes.
Ang na lang natin is whether sila, pag-graduate ka, if you graduate into sociopath, transform into psychopath.
Yes.
Namatayan na ng konsensya. Pag namatayan na ng konsensya, psychopath na yan, no?
Yes.
So if we're going back to the example of Duterte, definitely.
Yes. Definitely,
he's a sociopath, di ba?
Yes.
Sociopath, no?
Oo.
na sociopath. Now, ang pagdidebatehan natin, he graduated from being a sociopath into a psychopath. Kasi yung official record
Yes.
niya for annulment of marriage, narcissistic personality disorder.
Mm.
Yung narcissism, under under sociopath yan no?
Yes. Tama.
Yan. So, tignan na lang natin kung ano. May kita mo naman sa pananalita, di ba? I mean, patayin nyo, parilin nyo.
Actually, gusto nga niya yung napaka-violent niya to the point na parang hindi naman siya talaga yung gusto niya mangyari ganito na gusto mo pumatay ng tao, yung sinabi niya about the Pope na fuck the Pope, etc. Tapos kung ano-ano pang
Sociopath
kung
na.
ano-ano pang that's under psychopath na talaga eh. Okay.
Pero pa ako naalala noon yung mga Amazon na mga NPA na babae na they're tagging it as Amazona. Tapos ang sabi niya,
Yes.
Bisaya, pusila sa bisong. No? So if you're going to loosely translate that in Filipino, in Tagalog, parilin sa puke. Di ba? And I'm not inventing this. You could always search that video footage sa YouTube.
Yes.
Di ba? Sa
Actually, kung sino-sino pa nga yung
babaeng NPA, pusila sa bisong. So,
mm-mm.
pa, no? So,
Which is not appropriate for someone na na highest leader of the during this was the time na nasa position pa siya as president.
Mm,
Tapos ganun yung mga pinagsasabi niya.
oo.
So parang kapag ikaw as someone na ordinary citizen, bakit ganito yung sinasabi ng mo presidente mo? So there's also malakas talaga yung psychopath tendencies ng ating previous president.
And I cannot wait, no, na hulihin to ng ICC.
Kaso hinaharangan eh.
No? Manipulative masyado, tingnan mo. During his first 2 years, ang daming extrajudicial killing. Nandun na lumabas yung nang laban, 'di ba? And then since alam niya matatapos yung term niya at hahabulin siya ng mga human rights violation or extrajudicial killing, ang ginawa niya, inilabas niya yung Pilipinas sa ICC, International Criminal Court. Pero yung first 2 years na nangyayari yung maraming extrajudicial killing, we were still under the International Criminal Court. Kaya kahit na wala na tayo ngayon sa ICC, meron pa rin tayong residual obligation sa ICC. At ito nga siguro yung kinakatakot niya kasi although ngayon, at this very moment, wala na ang Pilipinas, hindi na tayo member ng ICC. Pero during the first years, while there were so many Filipinos being gunned down, no, for extrajudicial killing, miyembro pa tayo noon. And he really needs to answer that. Yun lang naman yun, hindi pa nga siya kinukonvict Pero anong sinasabi? No, magkakapatayan, dadalak ng dugo, no, subukan
Yun
yung
nga po yun.
I mean, he's even threatening to bring down this government kasi mukhang papayag si Bongbong na gusto nga natin bumalik sa ICC
Actually, ganun nga eh. Talagang dinedepensahan talaga ng
Pag
ng
bumalik
other ng
ang unang-unang requirement niyan, let's try the former president. Di ba?
yes.
Gesture of goodwill, di ba? Syempre, ayaw.
Yes.
Syempre, pinipwesto niya yung kanyang BP.
That's true.
Kaya nga, I'm very certain magkakaroon tayo ng magandang episode nito later when we talk about the ICC. And well, it's no news, no? Hindi balita po na sociopath si Duterte. Kasi doon pa lang sa annulment niya, narcissistic personality disorder is already bracketed under sociopath, no? Sociopath na siya.
Okay.
Question is, psychopath pa siya? That's the question.
Well,
Ikaw, anong personal na mo? Sociopath, psychopath?
that.
Si Duterte.
Well, I see Duterte as psychopath. Kasi alam mo yun, yung parang wala na siyang pakialam sa sinasabi. Tapos ano pa siya, kahit na sabihin nating ano siya, yung salita niya, gano'n na sinasabi niya, ang dami pa rin nagsusuporta sa kanya, which is or charisma na gano'n. Pero gano'n ang nangyayari. Parang lahat ng tao gusto pa rin siya despite yun yung mga sinasabi niya.
Hindi lahat. I think similar rin to yung kay Donald Trump, no? Kay Donald Trump, purveyor of fake news yan eh. At yung mga hardcore supporters si Donald Trump,
Yes.
US, yung iba, no, sabi nila, si Donald Trump may violate na ganitong batas. Merong supporter nagsabi, Donald Trump could shoot someone live in the television, no? Shoot him and I would still support Donald Trump. Kaya nga, sarado na talaga yung pag-iisip ng mga hardcore supporter. And
Actually.
it's a good thing, medyo the support is waning, no, in the US. At dito sa Pilipinas, hindi na tayo nagpapatakot. Ako din natakot eh. Even the Supreme Court, no, yung siya nakaupo, nag-declare ng martial law doon lang sa ba yun? Sa Mindanao, Marawi. Sa Marawi lang ang Marawi lang ang yung ewan ko sino yung mga terorista na yon. Pero he placed the entire Philippines in martial law. Ewan ko, baka mali ako, baka Mindanao lang. Pero hindi, mukhang entire Philippines ang na martial law nun. Tama ba? Well, siguro i-fact check natin.
Actually, during that time, ang na martial law lang is buong Mindanao.
Okay. So I'm wrong. Oo. Pero but still, no, napakayo. Kasi parang nagbabarilan sa Baguio, tapos minamartial law mo, pati Metro Manila. Wala namang kinalaman ng Metro Manila, di ba? Ang layo-layo. No? Pero, well, ewan ko. I-fact check mo nga, fact check mo ba? Was the entire country placed in the martial law during the Duterte presidency? Para lang for the blog purposes natin. Search mo nga.
Okay, check. Okay. According to the internet na search ko.
Search ko. Sige, tapusin mo. Hindi pala ako pwede.
Okay. During the
Ikaw mag-search.
Yes.
Dito sa cellphone. Sige.
Okay, actually the martial law during the Duterte regime, ang na martial law lang is yun nga po, martial law sa declared martial law in Southern Philippines, and this was May 27, 2017 because of terrorist attacks daw linking to the ISIS group. This was Southern Philippines. So ibig sabihin kasama ang Visayas and Mindanao.
But not the entire Philippines, no?
Yes, not entire Philippines po. Pero nagkaroon ng declaration during that time.
Na ano?
This was the Marawi bombing ata nung Ito yung nung Marawi bombing, tama ba ako?
Oh, Marawi.
Tapos parang isang taon siyang nanatili as martial law, even though okay na yung nag-ceasefire na, nahuli na yung mga terrorist group na nagpasimuno nitong mga killings sa Southern. Na martial law. Okay.
So sa topic nalilist tayo, no, yung psychopath. Psychopath and
Yes.
Sige, sir.
Okay. So in conclusion, I would suggest na ang tawag dito, though we cannot fix people with psychopath tendencies and sociopath tendencies. So we need to be vigilant when it comes to this, lalo na sa mga sinasabi nila, sa mga gusto nilang ipaggawin, etc. Kasi there's a possibility na hindi lang ako or hindi lang tayo ang susunod na maging biktima ng mga psychopaths and sociopaths, kasi they are everywhere. Just be aware about the surroundings mo, kumbaga.
Saka definitely dapat siguro, kaya nga nasa batas natin that you cannot run
Mhm.
for public office if you have a conviction. You're perpetually
Yes.
banned from holding public office,
That
whether
was supposed to be the ano.
or appointed or elective position. No? Pero ewan ko, meron pa rin namang ibang nakakalusot kasi definitely senador natin, no, meron mga convicted, meron ng mga ano diyan may mga kaso di ba? At convicted
Yes po.
siya, sila Jinggoy, si Bong Villa, si Enrile. In fact, nakulong nga ito sila Tapos isa-isa na lang nakalaya nung hindi na si Pinoy ang nakaupo, no? So makikita mo talaga
Yes.
sayang yung slot na yun Anyway, before it becomes political, no? Itali na lang natin Itali na lang muna natin sa sociopath and psychopath. Sa sociopath,
Yes.
lawbreaker, no? Lawbreaker. The mere fact na nag-jaywalking ka, meron ng sociopathic tendency yan. Sociopath ka na, di ba? Especially pag bawal at ginawa mo pa rin. Di ba? Sociopath na yan at the very minimum. No? At
Yes.
psychopath ka na lang kapag wala ka talagang konsensya. At there's a purpose or there's an impunity. No? Nothing stops you from doing it.
Yes po.
Wala na, hindi ka na pinipigilan ng iyong konsensya and everything goes. No? Yan. So, it gets, hindi natin silang interchangeable. We're conscious on the usage of, in fact, they're not interchangeable. No? Mas severe ang psycho
Yes.
kaysa sa sociopath. So, beating the red light, sociopathic tendency na yan. Natikitan ka? Wala na.
Yes.
Diba? Ano na lang, wag na lang maging psychopath siguro. Kasi yung mga psychopath talaga,
Doon
there's
tayo merong tendency maging psychopath.
super ego kay Sigmund Freud. O sige,
Yes.
okay na tayo. We have 4 minutes here. We have consumed 10 minutes. So maraming salamat po. Sir Cyrus, would you like to give your closing remarks?
I would say, wag tayo masyadong magpapaniwala sa lahat ng sinasabi ng tao. And we need to be matyaga or kilatisin natin yung mga sinasabi ng ibang tao when it comes to that.
Mag-election.
Tapos,
Mag-election na naman at tingnan natin talaga yung record, no? I mean, yung iba kasi meron ng record na nagpapatay, graft in corruption. Syempre, ang Supreme Court matagal mag-decide. Pero pag may kaso ka, pag may usok, may apoy So pag may kaso, sociopathic tendency na sociopath ka na And then why would you elect someone who is a non-sociopath in elective position? Why should you put them in elective position? Diba? In the long run, tayo rin
diba? Lahat tayo magsasuffer when it comes to that.
Sige, maraming salamat po. Ingat po tayong lahat.
Okay, salamat po.
Salamat po. Medyo control yung podcast na to. Sige. Sige. Salamat po.
Sige po.